Okay, 8T2, a little essay and altering a drawing of Bart Simpson. Okay, I've named my document, centered and bolded the title, and written my text in, some vital information about Bart Simpson. So next I'm going to insert a drawing, and I need an image. So I click on image. I'm going to open a new tab and do a search for Bart Simpson, which I've already done. Let's refresh that and typed in Bart Simpson and gone to images. I'm going to take this picture of Bart. Clicking on it brings up the larger image. Right click, I'm going to copy that image URL. Go back to my document. Paste in the URL. Click OK. There we go. There's Bart, all his glory. Okay, so let's get started on the alterations. First, we're going to do word art with Bart. I'm going to resize it so it'll fit on the page. I'm going to change the font to Comic Sans MS. I'm going to change the line color to dashed. And let's do a light blue on that line color. And we're going to fill it with red. Okay, so we have Bart, word art, Comic Sans MS, a dashed light blue line around the exterior, and red fill on the interior. Okay, we're going to do a insert an image now, which is a chevron. So I go to the images, arrows, chevron. Notice it picks up the formatting from the Bart that we already did, but that's not what we want. We're going to fill that one with black, make the line color black as well, and change the dash line to a solid line. Double clicking on it, cool hair from Bart. Now what's the problem here? Can't see the text. Okay, so we need to make sure that the text color is white. Okay, the text is showing up now, but it's not fitting, so we readjust to make it fit. Okay, a green equals with a black border. So I'm going to go to insert an image or a shape. I'm going to equation, find that equal sign. I'm going to do a fill, green fill, and already have the black border. I'm going to do a scribble now. Click on the line tool, go to scribble, we'll just leave it And type and fill in "Hey dude." Don't worry about your handwriting. Can't be any worse than mine. Or much worse than mine anyways. Okay, next we need to put in some text. I'm going to click here, put in the text box, and this is going to be the cool part of the equals, all caps, and I hit enter. I'm going to make that font is going to be Impact and 24 and bold. Next, I want to put an orange Simpsons banner at the bottom. Placement, as long as you can get it in there. So for example, going back to shapes, under callouts, I'm going to do the wave, write it in here. By clicking on it, I'm going to write Simpsons and hit enter to get it in there. Do Corsiva font, size 30. I'm going to fill that with orange and use the rotation tool. Click on that rotation tool and you can see the final effect. Okay, we have our picture of Bart. This can go anywhere. And for our last step, we're going to save and close. Okay, now we have a huge picture of Bart underneath the text. I click on it and I'm going to resize it. Click on Fix Position, which will allow us to put it in the text. That might take a minute. In this case, mine is being a little bit unruly, but by clicking on Fix Position, it will wrap the text around it. Okay, have the teacher check your work, and then close the tab.